think I like it. Good afternoon. Today I will be showing you what I got from Kohl, and this flawless brows. It says finishing touch. It's 18K gold plated, and I saw this at Kohl's and sa ibang sa ibang stores din, meron din sila nito. And I was kind of intrigued about this product, really. So I decided I'll just get one and try it if it really works. And this is perfect for eyebrows. So it says built-in light. That's what it says here. So let's get started and see how it does to my eyebrows. Okay, I've been using these tweezers for quite a while now because I just have to pluck it. And this one, we'll see how it does. Okay, let's check what's in the box. Okay, wet. That's how it looks in the package. And then you'll just take it out. Oops. Oh, look. There's a battery there, and then there's a brush if you want to clean it afterwards. Okay. That's the manual. Okay, the number 1, install battery. Hold top and bottom of the unit and pull apart. Okay. This thing, where is it? That one. And how are you gonna do it? There. So it says hold top and bottom and unit and pull apart. So it was like that. This thing over here, oh, I have to open. This one is the cap. And this thing over here, pull it. Oops. Then there it is. That's it. And you have to put the battery in here. We just have to slide the battery in. And then put this thing back. Whoa. Really? That is really. How are you gonna stop it? My goodness. It sounds like you know what I mean. Okay, this is the start, and you have to push this for start. Turn it on. You have to push this thing over here to turn it on, turn it off. This is the power button. There. Slide it to turn it on and push it down to turn it off. And then it says slide switch to on position. Okay, number 3, to remove hair, use on clean dry skin. Pull skin tight and move in small back and forth motions. That's how it says over here. That. We'll try it. Okay, let's give it a try, guys. We'll try this part here, okay? Because I got a lot of hair there. We'll try that one. Oh. It doesn't hurt at all. Oh my goodness.
I know I messed it up with every other guy. I swear you're different in this.
I think I like it. I think I like it.
I know I messed it up with every other guy. I swear you're different, and this time I'm gonna try. We can stop fresh.
And we'll try the middle over here. So I got hair over there too.
I know I messed it up with every other guy. I swear you're different, and this time I'm gonna try.
My skin is oily, but it says dry skin, but oh, I'm just trying it out. I can't wait to try it out. It's like black on the side. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Okay, that's that one. I still have a little bit there. What happened to my this is the eyebrow pencil that I've been using. It's a pomade pencil, brow pomade pencil from Ardell. It's Ardell product. So, I really like this one. I've been using this Jordana brow pencil for a long time, but I'm switching it to Ardell eyebrow because I like it, and this is the one I put it right now. So okay, we'll do this side over here. That's the before. There's hair. I didn't pluck my eyebrows, I mean the extra hair, because I really want to try this product if it really works, and it seems like it's working. Oh, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. Can't really feel anything.
I know I messed it up with every other guy.
The best thing that you have to use this one if you really probably after shower, because you know you don't have oily skin or you didn't put any moisturizers or anything on your skin after shower. But I can't wait to use it, so that's why I put some moisturizer and under eye cream, so that's why it feels oily. And then all you do for cleaning, probably just had brush off the hair. Yeah. Well, my first impression of this is I think I like it. It's handy. You can put it in your purse and you can take it with you anywhere. So this one cost almost 20 bucks. It's $19.99. Well, you've rounded off to $20. It's painless, and then yeah, it's really handy. This one, I like this too, but it really hurts when you pull your hair, you know, kind of pluck. So when you use this one, I use this one a lot. So far, I'm liking it. There. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment down below. What do you think about this product? It looks like a pen or something, or you know, you can take this one with you too, but I prefer this one. All you do is just put battery. They have a different kind of colors too, so I like this purple one because I like purple, I like pink, and yeah. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. So Thank you guys for watching.